Hi, I'll be doing a detailed review of Acorns, the micro-investing platform that's been making waves in the financial world. Today we'll explore how Acorn works, its key features, the pricing structure, the pros and cons, and ultimately whether it's the best app for micro-investing in 2025. Let's dive right in. Acorns is designed to make investing accessible to everyone, especially those who are new to the world of finance. Founded with the mission to democratize wealth-building opportunities, Acorns simplifies the investment process by allowing users to invest their spare change from everyday purchases. By linking your credit or debit cards, Acorns automatically rounds up each transaction to the nearest dollar and invests the difference into a diversified portfolio of exchange-traded funds or ETFs. This approach enables users to start investing without the need for large sums of money upfront. Now let us talk about the main features of Acorns. Beyond micro-investing, Acorns offers a suite of features tailored to help users grow their wealth effortlessly. Let's take a closer look at some of the main features. Roundups. This flagship feature automatically invests your spare change by rounding up your daily purchases to the nearest dollar. Once these roundups accumulate to at least $5, Acorns transfers the amount into your investment portfolio, turning everyday spending into an investment opportunity. Recurring investments. Acorns allows you to set up automatic recurring investments on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis, starting with as little as $5. This feature promotes consistent investment habits, which can be crucial for long-term wealth accumulation. Diversified portfolios. Upon signing up, Acorns assesses your financial goals and risk tolerance to recommend one of 5 expert-built portfolios ranging from conservative to aggressive. These portfolios are composed of ETFs from reputable providers, ensuring a balanced and diversified investment approach. Acorns Later. This feature offers individual retirement accounts, including traditional, Roth and SEP IRAs, enabling users to save for retirement with potential tax advantages. It's a seamless way to plan for your future without the complexities often associated with retirement accounts. Acorns Early. For those looking to invest in their children's future, Acorns Early provides custodial accounts that allows you to start investing on behalf of a minor. These can be a valuable tool for building a financial foundation for your loved ones. Found Money. Acorns partners with various brands to offer cashback rewards that are automatically invested into your Acorns account. When you shop with these partners, a portion of your purchase is invested, enhancing your investment balance effortlessly. Acorns Checking. This is an integrated checking account that comes with a debit card. It offers real-time roundups, no minimum balance requirements, and no overdraft fees, making it easier to manage your spending and investing in one place. Educational content. Acorns provides a wealth of educational resources, including articles, tutorials, and videos to help users improve their financial literacy and make informed investment decisions. Now let us talk about the pricing of using Acorns. Understanding the cost of using Acorns is essential. As of 2025, Acorns offers 3 subscription tiers. There's the Bronze plan, which is $3 per month. This plan includes access to Acorns Invest, Later, and checking features. There's the Silver plan at $6 per month. It encompasses all the features of the Bronze plan, plus premium education, emergency fund, and earn rewards match. Then there's the Gold plan. $12 per month, users receive all the benefits of the Silver plan along with access to Benefits Hub, Custom Portfolio, Earn Rewards Match, and Early, which are investment accounts for kids. While these flat fees might seem modest, they can represent a significant percentage of smaller account balances. For instance, with a $100 investment, the $3 monthly fee equates to a 36% annual cost, which is considerably higher than the percentage-based fees charged by some other investment platforms. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of using Acorns. First, the pros. User-friendly interface. Automated investing. Comprehensive financial tools. no account minimums, socially responsible investment options. How about the cons? Flat monthly fees. The subscription-based fee structure can be disproportionately high for users with low account balances, potentially eating into investment gains. Limited investment customization. Acorns selects the ETFs for each portfolio, offering limited options for users who prefer to choose individual stocks or have more control over their investment choices. Lack of advanced features. Unlike some other platforms, Acorns does not offer features like tax loss harvesting, which can be beneficial for optimizing tax efficiency in investment portfolios. In conclusion, Acorns stands out as a micro-investing platform that simplifies the investment process, making it accessible to a broad audience, particularly beginners. Its user-friendly design, automation, and diversified portfolios make it an appealing option for those looking to start investing without much prior knowledge. However, its flat monthly fees can be a drawback for those with smaller account balances, and the lack of advanced investment options might not suit more experienced investors. So, is Acorns the best micro-investing app in 2025? Well, that depends on who you are as an investor. If you're new to investing, struggle with saving money, or just want a simple way to passively grow wealth with minimal effort, Acorns is a fantastic option. But if you prefer more control over your investments, want lower fees, or need advanced tools, there may be better options out there for you. If you're looking to try other alternatives you may explore, Betterment, Robinhood, and Stash. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.